Images are like music for your eyes. People can't help but soak in all the messaging you're trying to evoke in your design. So if you want your audience to understand your designs in a heartbeat and with value, you can add an icon to your design simply by clicking icons, navigating the category of images you're looking for. The search bar is a very easy method to get results quickly. The black and white icons are the ones where you can switch out the colors for, like this. You can also copy the same color number if you want multiple icons to be the same exact color. The colored icons are the ones you aren't able to change your preferred color on, but you can filter them out here on the left side based on your preference. It's important to make your designs inclusive and accessible. Venngage offers blog posts and webinars on how to make sure your visuals represent your audience well. And here's the best part. You can use our various people icons that mark a skin tone visual at the bottom right corner to showcase where you're able to adjust skin colors. This way, you can visualize your diverse audience with diverse icons. Makes sense, right? Ask yourself, who is your audience? Make sure you're representing them thoroughly in your visuals. You can also upload your own images right here in the image upload drag and drop section. If you're looking to replace an icon straight from your template, you can use our wildly popular replace feature right over here. Yeah, our users love that one the best. This makes it so easy to capture your infographic topics without spending hours readjusting images, copying and pasting. This is all to make your life easier. And so that's our goal, to always make sure you're spending the least amount of time designing because it's all ready to go for you. You can mirror an icon by pressing the mirror button right here. Most helpful if you're switching line directions. You can also hyperlink images right here or favorite them for easy access for future designs. Now how about supersizing up? And no, not your fries, but your visuals.